So hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about head and tail command of Linux. So basically, head is used to read first few lines of the file, and tail is used to read last few lines of the file. Let's say I have a big file here. If I show you, I have some. It's a very large file. Okay, you can see. I don't want to read all of those. I just want to read a few rows of this file. Let's see. Then I can give head. Then hyphen n means number of rows I want to read. Let's say I want to read 15 lines. Then I can give the file name. Okay. Now you can see only 15 lines of the file is being displayed. It is first 15 line. If you want to read the last, then you can give tell hyphen m. Uh, let's say 9 big file.txt. And I can see these are the last lines of the files. By default, head and tail, if you don't give the number of rows, it will take 10. Like these are 10 rows, and if you give tail, same 10 rows. Also, you can write like this head hyphen 5 big file.txt. You can exclude the hyphen and flag. Same, so both can be done. Okay. So one more thing. I have this run2.py file here. If I show you, it's nothing, just a simple code which will print the indexes like 0 to 199 and is like each will be printed after a point 0.5 seconds. Okay. So what I want to do, I have one file here, live file.txt. I'll do run2.py file and store the output of this in the live file.txt. Like every point 0.5 second, live file will be updated. So I want to see the content of the file like live. Okay. So I am doing this command right now. Python c run2.py. Live file.txt and okay. So it is called output redirection. I'll come back to this in some other videos. Now no need to understand this. Okay. If I see now, I need to use the flag hyphen f for this. You can see now it is getting printed properly. Like you can use hyphen f command to view the live file in the terminal. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching.